Dino Conduct Awardees.
Dito mo pilit yun.
Mesa.
Conduct Awardees.
Kami nag-atura.
Lawrence.
Kami nag-atura mo ko. Ito dahil. Kapit na sa
May pang-spices.
mana alas 10 na dyan.
Pagkakalong Lawrence. Nickname Eric T. With perfect attendance. And then Kulod at Earl. Congratulations.
Bilahin ng tanong.
Next in line, we have Brady Jasper Awardees. Advisor, Mrs. Ivy M. Pakibo.
Ilagay na yun.
Brady
Wala si Mama yun.
Dumao Dayan May E. With honors, perfect attendance, and ganda award. Linamo Lightas
Advisor dos mo.
with honors
Ay,
and ganda
Grabe.
award.
lahi man din mag-maestro sa'yo.
Asahin niyo ko na English.
Sa AP ba? One ang first naman na teacher sa AP, sa second kasi Ma'am Almi.
Ganda awardees.
Si Ma'am Hina. Mahinay ba?
Karaluo G. Elio Grace Ann Gray.
Sa EP lang makasama.
And Indaya Laika Q.
Ang first, ang sa English man to si Sir Islawan, si Ma'am Sarah. Ma'am Sarah ba?
Amo kay si Sir Yawan. Madam. Madam.
Madam.
Ekrem Awardees. Makalinaw Christine May. Mayanita Zoe B. Marta
Si Ma'am...
Yeah, karon kaya ako si Pagkakita.
Si Ma'am Pakildo. Sa ito yung Pakot. Kildo? Kaldo dahil. Inakuha yun si Ma'am Rosie.
Makalinaw Christine May. Perfect attendance. Mayanita Zoe B. Perfect attendance. Congratulations.
Gimingaw na katong isayo mas tubahan. Atong
Again, congratulations to all Brady
Masaya tayo,
Awardees.
binislakan.
Round of applause, please. Next line, Grade 9 awardees. To start with,
Niyo sa kitin niyo eh.
sinulog mo kamo.
Grade 9 Aris, Advisor,
Sino di mag
Ms. Melanie H. W.
Yun ang amsa dito yun.
Okay, before ka magsukat, grade 9 ka para madali ka. Now, on site kay, i-inform ko daan sa inyong mga teachers kung unsang mga number. Nakasabot. Ha? Timani, number 1 ka ni mo, diri mo diretso. Okay? Number 2, diri diretso. Diri na mo na mga maestro, assist ninyo. Nagkasinabo ka. Number 3, diri. 4,
Tawad ko.
Sige, madali.
Mingawon ko ma'am. Minawon ka ma'am de.
Grade 9, Aris already.
Katawanan ka.
Abril, Zyrie, Reed,
Nakakakaisa para sa
Howard, Jamaica, Eric A. Arizana, Sean, Alexa P. And perfect attendance awardee. Bugay, Claire, Shemaya, Y. Conduct awardee, perfect attendance awardee, and with honors. Calderon, Mark, Daniel C. With
favorite teacher naman sa grade 9.
Perfect attendance, already. Congratulations.
Sa Pilipino kasi.
Congratulations, my Iris. Next in line, we have the grade 9. Capricorn Awardees Advisor, Mrs. Sherry Lewis, Australia.
Paminawon ba?
Jules P.C. Pakiran with high honors Canada Awardee. J.S. Castaños with high honors Canada Awardee. Kyrie Rose Malina with high honors Canada Awardee. Krisha O. Amores with honors. Jillian A. G. Palay with honors and perfect attendance awardee.
Inshallah.
Congratulations.
Basta ibang sabila sa
Aya Angeline C. Chavez, with honors, as Aya C. Herebese, with honors and conduct awardee. More Justin R. Mendoza, with honors. Michael J. Mendoza, with honors. Gabriel Noy Malabon, with honors and conduct awardee. Congratulations. Maria Lucia G. Sanchez, with honors, conduct awardee and perfect attendance awardee. Mary Ashley Isabel B. Saon, with honors and perfect attendance awardee. Roy Victor A. Sia, with honors and perfect attendance awardee. Congratulations. Conduct awardees. Glenn David Bacos, Mark Albert G. Ilorza, and perfect attendance awardee. Tiffany R. Mahusay, perfect attendance awardee. And Eric T. Rasla, perfect attendance awardee. Congratulations. Perfect attendance awardees. Bakal Team Shine,
Lopit na to.
Christian Ian F. Izon, Shakira A. L. Garay, John
Paso na si Juan. Uy, napay grade 11, napay 9. Alas 11 pa tamang.
Ay, si Ma'am sa English. Si Madam.
Grade 9 AU awardees.
Ay, kagawa ng
Silver
Oo na yun.
with
Madam
honors,
Susan.
conduct and perfect
Asa na ba?
attendance awardee. Rio North Agency with honors and conduct awardee.
Cheat bang nakakayo?
Esmeralda Andrea Faye with honors. Gamali Decimay C with honors and conduct awardee. Didamo Zaira B with honors.
Ay, ka na.
Congratulations.
Madam. Inshallah, madam.
Manggubat John Vincent T. with honors, conduct and perfect attendance awardee. Castillo L. Jeda A. with honors, conduct and perfect attendance
Kaya
awardee.
bagwapak isa.
Pipito Janalisa B. with honors.
Ha?
Sulat Rosalie A.
Oo, manang ka.
with honors, conduct and perfect attendance awardee. Suson Chelsea T. with honors. And Tagopa Ria May I.
Asa na ba?
with honors and perfect attendance awardee.
Wala
Congratulations.
mag-pay.
Oh, bro, sa kayo. Ay, bata.
Conduct awardees. Arbon Camille Faye A.
Ay, si Kaan. Sanay.
Mirelias
Friend,
Chantal.
banalote.
Conduct awardees and perfect attendance awardee. Mali Congratulations.
Kita pag ginagsinawag niyo. Biyahan na lang ko.
Natalia Jamila S. Carion Maria Venice. And Mapasa School. Perfect attendance award. Congratulations.
Lagi sa kanang gipagito.
Maka Jerome R. Magbabon ang Jama Perfect Attendance Awardee. Soriano Lady Lenore F. Perfect Attendance Awardee. Congratulations.
Yo, paisis mo.
Perfect Attendance Awardee.
Ay, ay. Gemini pa, day. Pwede Gemini.
Star F. Pacos Bruce Lester Z. Bengalinium Michelle J. R. Congratulations. Flores Melrose G. Borges Joanna Baptiste A. Sogaron Jimbo G. Tirana J. G. Congratulations. Balik sa Flores. Congratulations. Next in line, we have grade 9. Grade 9 Aquarius Awardees Advisor, Mrs. Virna Marie C. Porio. Grade 9 Aquarius Awardees with high honors, Julian Rain A. Conde, Conduct Awardee. Giselle Pizon, with honors, Conduct Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardees. Jessa May C. Jano, with honors and Conduct Awardee. Stephen S. Olara, with honors and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Lara Precious N. Pagobo, with honors and Conduct Awardee. Genevieve D. Soko, with honors. Conduct Awardees, Ednel Kukamas Jr. with Perfect Attendance Awardee. Ashley Faye G. Librando with Perfect Attendance Awardee. John Raymore Mercader, Conduct Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Al Cortez G. Marilia with Conduct Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Chris Mark B. Suano, Conduct Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Jonathan B. Doniacal Jr., Perfect Attendance Awardee. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let us now welcome our awardees from Grade 9 Gemini Advisor, Shira Z. Ababon.